And then the supplements for our
Yes.
patients, most of them watching will probably have an injury. Do you have anything there or anything that you would recommend to help get over the inflammation or the pain or anything like that?
Yes, I do. I have two kind of favorite supplements that I'll start people on. The first is collagen. So most people, when they hear the word collagen, they're thinking skin, because that's what it's usually talked about in articles and in things we read about collagen. But it's important to remember that your whole body relies on collagen, your bones, your joints, your ligaments. So as you get older, mid-20s on, your body starts to produce less and less of this naturally occurring substance in your body. So now these collagen supplements give you a really awesome way to get that back in. I've recommended this to clients with arthritis, joint pain, disc injuries, anything from an actual injury where they had surgery to just kind of a nagging pain. And most people will tell me they notice a big difference. And then you have the added benefits for your skin and all the other fluffy things that, it feels good to help with too. My second is curcumin. It's kind of a hard word to remember, but turmeric is a supplement that is often recommended for inflammation. Curcumin is the actual anti-inflammatory part of turmeric. So it's kind of like turmeric on steroids. So if I personally have disc injuries in my back. I take it daily. It can truly help inflammation in the body in a major, major way. It can also help with things like acne, all of those inflammatory responses of how they present in the body. It can just kind of help keep all of that at bay.
Cool.
Yeah.
So, and you keep some of those supplements in stock, so if somebody wanted to come check it out.
Yes.
And I know a lot of people, there's so many supplements out there. How do you decide which ones to carry?
So we do a lot of research before we will ever put anything on our shelves. And then we kind of play guinea pig as well before we decide to sell anything. So we're huge on ingredients and making sure that the ingredients are clean, nothing artificial. We really believe in plant-based supplements. And then we make sure that the supplements actually work. So most of the supplements that are on our shelves, we either use personally or we have used in the past. And then we thoroughly research the companies that we're sourcing from to make sure that they are actually, as high quality as they claim to be.
Got it.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, did we miss anything? Anything else that you want to talk about?
Well, I think I'd like to mention something on your end. Oftentimes daily, I see clients coming in who say, oh, my shoulder's bothering me today, or my knee is bothering me today. I just finished a private session with a client whose neck is bothering her from some old disc injuries. In the past, it used to kind of be an ordeal to go see a physical therapist. And when I say an ordeal, meaning you had to make a doctor's appointment and the doctor had to refer you.
Right.
Within the past year or two, I think it's so cool that we now have direct access to physical therapists.
Right.
Do you find
That's
a lot of
people? Huge.
Yeah. So I tell people, if you need 2 or 3 weeks of PT to get this pain down, go see a physical therapist. We can still keep working out. They have a lot of tools and resources that I don't have. I am not a physical therapist. So my ultimate goal is to get you pain-free and keep you pain-free. And oftentimes I need partners in this, in that journey and in that goal. So I always encourage clients, go to PT for a few weeks, go let them help you out here, because we can't be successful in what we're trying to do in the gym if you're in pain and if we're putting you at risk. So I really want to encourage people who are watching this. Maybe you've done PT in the past and you think, oh gosh, well, it's starting to hurt again, but I'm going to have to call my orthopedist and get a referral, and that's going to be weeks. You don't have to do that anymore.
Right. Yeah. 2016, I think, is when that passed. And it's definitely been huge, mainly for our patients that have been here before that have been educated, but a lot of the public still doesn't know until they, it's a huge cost saver too, and time saver, so that you're not sitting in an office and, and definitely too, even though we have that, if we ever see anything that we feel might need further evaluation, then of course we send out and request MRI or whatever else maybe. needs to be there. So yeah, thanks for that.
Absolutely.
All right. So you said say your website one more time.
www.evolvestudiousla.com.
And your phone number if they want to call instead.
Sure. 225-892-2801.
Perfect. Well, thanks, Taylor. I appreciate it.
Thanks for having us, and we love working with you guys. Thanks for being such a great partner.